In a remote village, there is an old wooden house that is said to have a secret. Suvan, a young man, is forced to move into this house because it is cheap. He does not believe in ghost stories. The first night, he hears a clack clack sound from under the floor and sees a woman's shadow in the mirror. Under the house, he finds a wooden box with human bones and a string named Ratana. Ratana's spirit died mysteriously and cannot go anywhere. She does not want to kill Suvan, but wants him to know the truth that her husband is Suvan's father. Suvan decides to bury her according to tradition to calm her spirit. In the morning, the house is quiet, but the mirror still shows the words, "The truth never dies." Important message. People should not despise the past and secrets. What is hidden is not lost.